Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ami. So in today's video, I am showing you how to create this makeup look. It's very simple. It's very easy for summer. Summer is literally here and it's really hot and humid already. So I just wanted to keep it very simple and I wanted to make sure that this makeup lasts for long. If some of you guys are still wearing mask, this makeup, I tell you, it will not smudge. It won't stick to your mask. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, please continue to watch. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is, as always, apply a primer. I'll be using this Wet n Wild matte primer. For the foundation, so far I'm loving this foundation. It's from Pharmacy Makeup and it is in shade medium to brown and it's actually BB cream. So it's not too heavy application on the face and it's perfect for summer because it doesn't get cakey and it won't smudge or anything like that. So I'm just going to use the damp beauty blender and just apply it all over my face. Okay, so this lighting I think is better than the one that I had before. It was very light. So we'll just give this one. And this foundation also smells really good. It has like a rose, not rose, but the flower sweet side of the fragrance. I am not usually a person who likes sweet side of the fragrance, but this one is really nice. So now I'll be applying a bronzer and today I'll be applying this Tarte Park Avenue Princess waterproof bronzer. And it's in the shade. It's a shade darker than my normal skin. For the brows, I'll be using this NYC brow and line pencil. Right. So for the eyeshadow, we'll be using this NYC Professional Makeup Ultimate Shadow Palette and it is in beautiful color. Ignore all this. When I purchased this through Amazon, they had this huge label over here and when I took it off, it just looked even more uglier. So, but we'll be using these two colors, these two middle color today. And I'm going to apply it very light. And if you want to go ahead and apply the eyeliner, you can. I'll be applying this L'Oreal Paris Volumized Small Ring Eyeliner on top of my eyelid. Just rub it in. to very close to my lash line, and I'll just use the brush to smudge it. And I'm just dragging it a little bit to make it wing. So what I'll do is I'll apply this pink eyeshadow, this one to the lower lash line, just the inner corner of my lash line. So I just applied the pink eyeshadow on the inner corner of my eye, and used the same volumizing eyeliner on the outer corner of my lower lash line, and I just smudged it a little bit so it gives a really nice look. Even though it looks a little bit heavy on the camera, but it's not actually that heavy. So now I apply a little bit of concealer, so anything that has come out from, you know, from using the eyeliner, it will all be covered. All right. Now I'll be using a setting powder, and this is a banana setting powder. There you go. So-called baking process. I know right now it looks a lot, but then we will just brush it off after a few minutes. So next thing we'll be doing is we'll be applying blush, and once we apply blush, I'm just going to brush off all the excess setting spray, the setting powder that we have right now. Alright, so once we are done with blush, I am just going to brush off any excess products that you see on my face. Alright, so now we're done with that. So what I'll be doing is the favorite thing that I love, highlighter, and this is my favorite highlighter, and I'll be just applying on the highest part of my face. So today I'll be applying this Hola Neon. It's in shade, it's Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and this is matte. And this is such a nice lipstick, and I just love this one. I think I have mentioned this before in my previous video that this is one of my favorite lipstick, and I just love this. So you just want to make sure that before you apply this kind of lipstick or lip color, your lips are very moist, or it's moisturized well, because sometimes applying the matte lipstick, it can make your lip little, dry, and you just don't want to, have your lips really dry. And the last thing that we're going to do today is apply this setting spray, and this is from Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Setting Spray, and you're just going to spray it all over your face so your makeup stays for longer. Alright, and just let it sit for like a few minutes. It will dry on its own. You don't have to do anything. Done with my makeup today. And this is the final look, guys, and it's very simple to do. It doesn't take much effort, and this is like an everyday makeup as well that you can do it. And after applying the setting spray, it actually sets your makeup for a long time, so it doesn't smudge. So that's about it. Let me know how you like this video, and if you have anything else to add to this which I have missed, or something different that you guys do, let me know in the comment below, and please subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye guys.